Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today let's talk a little bit about film selection whenever you're doing candy colors. And so you've seen a lot of our videos. We've done tons of candy colors. We've done tons of videos on these, but how do you select the film and how do you know what's going to be the right base coat for the right color of the candy? Now, candies are very simple. Most of the time, everything goes with a silver metallic base coat. So you're going to want something just very similar to this. This nice, big, metallic silver. That's exactly what you want. Now, when starting with this, you can turn this into this, or this, or this, or as you can tell, there's tons of different options. But all of these right here started out with a silver base coat. Now, when selecting your film, you want to make sure that the film is actually set up properly to accept a candy color. Now, what am I talking about? So what I'm talking about is that you want a film that has a little bit or a lot, depending on how you want it, of transparency through that film. So in a case like this, we're going to take a white sheet of paper here and we're going to show a couple of different films. Now, of course, this one right here would actually be a really good film to use. So using a film like this right here is really great because number one, you allow the base color to show through. As you can tell, we have tons of white all in there. Now imagine if this was silver, all of this right here that is white would actually turn to either a yellow or a blue or a green or something like that. Whatever actual candy that you're spraying over it, this would all turn into that candy color and it's gonna really pop and it's gonna be really bright and vibrant. So something like this has a lot of color that lets it show through. That's exactly what we want. Another example would be is maybe even like a wood grain pattern like this. Now, a lot of people don't see these in candy colors, but you can definitely tell that we still get a lot of color that's going to show through. So again, if this was a silver metallic, this is going to show through really, really well, and you're still going to get that pop of that metallic coming through these areas that are lighter in this area like that. Now, couple of different patterns that won't be the best for the candy colors would be something like this. Now, this is a really cool print, but as you can tell, it doesn't really show a lot of base through there. Now, it does make the colors brighter, but especially with this right here having so many different colors in it, then of course this probably wouldn't be the best one to use with a candy color over the top of it. And then of course the same goes for silver-backed films or films that are fully colored and do not have any transparency to them. Those are not going to be probably the best unless they are, for instance, a black and clear or something like that. So again, we have something like this right here. Now again, this is not changing from, you can tell even right here, we have some black that's right there. If I put that black over it compared to the white that's there, nothing's changing. And the reason is because we already have a silver color underneath the black. And so we cannot actually see even my hand through this. So of course, those base colors are not going to show through. So of course, as you can tell, selecting the right base color and the right film is going to be really critical whenever you're trying to do a candy color over the top of anything with the Hydrographics. So of course, hopefully this video has really helped you guys out. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything Hydrographics related, as well as let me know your favorite film to use for candies. Of course, we have our own, which is probably going to be our carbon fiber, but there is tons of other films out there. Love to hear what yours is, especially for that awesome looking candy color. If you haven't already, definitely check out the website. The website has everything that you need for the Hydrographics, including tons of candy colors, whether it's pre-mixed or in a concentrate, we have you fully covered. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.